Sultan, we found the Grand Duke.
And the Emperor?
Not yet. Bring him in.
Enough.
Salutations, Sultan. I'm Lucas Notaras, the Grand Duke and Supreme Commander of the military forces. Your Highest Majesty, I'm here to offer you my services. And in honor of your victory, I have brought a gift.
Why didn't you give these riches to your Emperor when he so clearly needed it?
Lord,
What kind of scoundrel are you? Hoarding your wealth while women and children starve around you.
Sultan, you misunderstand me.
I misunderstand.
Please, my intentions are honorable. Ask your Vizier, Halil Pasha.
Chandarlı Halil.
Yes, I work with him to bring the siege to a quick end in the hopes of avoiding the bloodshed. If you could call him here, he would testify, sir.
Take this half-breed dog away. He'll look better without his head.
No, please! Hey, Sultan! Please!